Hi! So simulan na natin ang ating free of cut review for this day. Sa day 11 na tayo at ang topic natin ngayon sa mathematics portion ay geometry foundations, which are its undefined terms, angles, and triangles. So mga kailangan nyo na malaman na terms for studying geometry are point, line, and plane. Bale, point is an exact location which has no size, no length, no width, or thickness. Bale, ang point, literally, it's just a dot. Like that. Yan ang point na tinutukoy. Ang line naman is a straight path of points extending infinitely in two directions. Length only ang meron siya. Kumbaga, ang line is like this. Ganyan. Bale, puro point yun nandito. It's made up of points extending infinitely in two directions. Ganon yung line. Tapos, ang plane naman, guys, it's a flat surface extending infinitely in all directions. Ang meron siya is length and width. Wala siyang thickness. Ganun ang plane. So, all other geometric figures are built from these three basic building blocks. So, tandaan nyo pinagkaiba-iba ng point, line, and plane. So, dito naman tayo ngayon sa angles. Meron pa ditong analogy for the undefined term. So, you can read that. Pause the video if you want. So, dito naman tayo sa number 2, sir, angles. Classification and special pairs. Sabi dito, an angle is formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint. Ang common endpoint na yon ang tawag is vertex and is classified by its measure. Okay, so unahin muna natin to. An angle daw is formed by two rays. So, kumbaga ganito siya. Like, meron kang ray dito, tapos meron kang ray dito. Ito guys, itong ayan ganyan na yan, angle ang tawag dyan. Tapos itong common endpoint is yun yung tinatawag natin na vertex. Okay? Tapos, they are classified based on their measures. And ito yung mga yon. Yung acute, kapag acute is less than 90 degrees. Kapag right angle is equal to 90 degrees. While ang obtuse naman is more than 90 but less than 180. So basically, ganito yung mga itsura nila. Acute, right, and obtuse. Ang acute guys is parang ganyan. Ang right naman is pa ganyan. Ang obtuse is pa ganito. Para malaman nyo, para maalala nyo kung alin ba yung sa acute ang obtuse at kung alin ba sa acute at obtuse yung maliit at malaki. Bale, isipin nyo na lang na cute ang mga baby kaya maliit lang sila. Okay? Ganun yan. Tapos, meron din tayong tinatawag na complementary angles and supplementary angles. Ang complementary angles are two angles that sum to 90 degrees. While ang supplementary angles naman ay two angles that sum to 180 degrees. Meron din tinatawag na vertical angles which are formed by two intersecting lines and they are always congruent. Okay, so now we're done with angles, yung classification nila, pati special pairs. Meron naman tayo sunod is triangles. So, meron iba't iba ring classification ng triangles and meron din sila mga key theorems. So, triangles can be classified two ways at once, by their sides and by their angles. Kapag by sides guys, meron tatlo. Itong equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Bale guys, kapag equilateral angle or triangle, lahat ng angles or lahat ng sides ay equal. Pag naman isosceles is dalawa lang yung equal. Kapag naman scalene is walang equal sa kanila. Tapos meron ding by angle, same lang, yung acute, right, and obtuse. Meron yung mga theorem naman na meron tayo is dalawang nandito. Triangle angle sum theorem and exterior angle theorem. Sabi dito guys, the three interior angles always add up to 180 degrees. Ibig sabihin, di ba ganyan itsura ng triangle? Di ba ganyan itsura ng triangle? Sabi nila, itong angle na to, itong angle na to, tsaka itong angle na to, lahat yan, pag ipag-plus-plus mo, it will equal to 180. Yun ang triangle angle sum theorem. Meron din sinasabi, meron din isa pang theorem which is the exterior angle theorem. Sabi dito, an exterior angle equals the sum of the two remote which are non-adjacent interior angles. An exterior angle equals the sum of two remote non-adjacent interior angles. So, meron dito yung word example. Kung gusto nyo ay screenshot nyo to para masagutan nyo. And may mga practice questions din dito. May answer key na rin para may masagutan din kayo. So again guys, if you want this reviewer, you can always just DM me, message me in my TikTok or in my Instagram para makuha nyo tong reviewers na to. Kasi I'm selling all these reviewers from day 1 up until day 25 plus mock exams na rin for all subtopics for only 100 pesos. And kung gusto niyo naman ako supportahan for the content that I make, then kindly go to my showcase and buy Ginkgo biloba kasi it will benefit you too. Kasi sobrang beneficial na yan yung reason kung bakit hindi ko nakalimutan lahat ng inaaral ko. And even though I don't study geometry anymore, I'm still very familiar with the concepts that involve it. So yun lang guys, see you in the next video which is the science part. Yun lang. Bye-bye!